Hello everyone, my name is Molly Singh and I'm here to talk about the difficulty you might be having while choosing the best commerce institute in your 11th and 12th. A lot of you might have passed class 10th and be wondering which commerce institute you need to pass or you need to go through. And the answer for me, as in my opinion, is very simple and it's Senate Commerce Academy. I am not here to talk about the good things of it or the bad things of it. I am here to talk about my experience as a student and all the things that I gained from here. First of all, as I come from an ICSE background, I was exposed to commerce as a stream in the very beginning of my class 9. And most importantly, I feel really blessed that I was a part of it. 4 years have passed, and coming more years will pass in the future. But the best thing is that I joined Saret Commerce Academy for my commerce study. My ninth went well. My 10th, I had 100 scored in my commerce paper. In 11th, it was really well, and my 12th I've passed, and I'm really blessed with the marks I've got. And now I'm will study for my graduation here only. The best thing about the institution are the teachers themselves. They have motivated a lot of me. My commerce teacher, Dr. Sunil Sir, he is one of the best faculty you can find in Bihar. He is one of the best teachers you will find for accountancy and business studies. And I think that it is very difficult to find teachers like him who guide you personally in each and every step you need in the stream of commerce. And most importantly, people might run after the infrastructure other coaching centers have, but I think that I was right that I chose a coaching center that would prioritize my safety and the well being inside the institution. The peers are really nice, the teacher are really nice, the staffing, everything is really nice. And I think at this point of time, what matters most as a student to me is that how the teachers are helping me in my subject, how they are teaching me. And one of the most unique thing about this coaching center, Zenith Commerce Academy, is that you as a student will not only grow in academic sector but also in an extracurricular phase as a student. By God's grace, I've done my schooling till my class 12. But about those children who are planning not to do schooling in the 11th and 12th, they are really lucky as people. In our coaching center, we have time to time debate activities, speech activity, a lot of quizzes, and recently we had one of an event where we had to volunteer for our coaching center. We received certificates for each and every activity, and I feel that these are some of the things which will really enhance our CV when we will put forth in colleges and company jobs, etc. And I think that it is something that will really boost our confidence and our mindset as student. So if you've still not joined any coaching center and you're planning to join one, you should not even think once before joining Zenith Commerce Academy. Dr. Sunil Sir, who is a main mentor here, is really good as a teacher and a personal guide. So I have an important message for you all that if you think that you are late for joining a coaching center for your commerce study, then you are actually not late. It's all about being on the right path, choosing the best thing. And I can assure you that Zenith Commerce Academy is one of the best coaching center and they have the best mentors like Dr. Sunil Sir to focus on your stream of commerce. So I will urge you all to come here, take admission here and become the brightest star in the sky. Thank you.